Hi, I'm Mitchell,
And I'm Will.
and this is the Brian Moore Cooking Show.
Today we're gonna make you pizza.
We're gonna start out with the dough. What you'll need is
Some loud.
olive oil,
Some honey,
salt,
some yeast,
and measuring utensils. To make the dough, we're going to mix 3.5 cups of flour,
1 cup of warm water,
2 tablespoons of yeast, and 1/4 cup of olive oil.
and 1/2 teaspoon of honey.
And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. As you can see, we're mixing the dough. A part of bread that makes it rise is yeast. You must knead the dough so that when it rises, it'll be even.
Once the dough is balled up, you are now going to place the dough on a pre-floured dough board. After you do this, you are then going to knead the dough, or also known as pressing the dough down with your palms.
After you have kneaded the dough, place it in a plastic bag or a covered bowl and store it in a warm and dry area to rise. After about 45 minutes, give the dough a good smack so that it deflates. Let it rise for another hour or so, and then this dough is now ready.
Now we're going to teach you how to make the sauce for your pizza. What you need is 2 tablespoons of tomato paste mixed in with 1/2 cup of tomato puree. I'm now going to mix this while Mitchell is mincing the garlic.
This is what is called a garlic press. Once we mix in the basil,
And stir it in with the sauce.
you'll have tomato paste, tomato sauce, basil, and garlic. Mix it all together,
What does that spell?
and that's our sauce. While we're waiting on our dough,
We're going to tell you a little bit about pizza.
well, pizza originated in Naples, Italy in the 1st century BC.
Pizza is popular all over the world to this day.
Not only in Europe, but in Asia, Africa, and it's even a delightful treat in South America.
A pizzeria is a pizza establishment or restaurant where only pizza is served.
Pizza comes from the Latin word pincine, which is an English translation of to press, and from the Greek word pectos, which means solid or clotted. Okay, after we've let it rise and it's ready to go, put it on your floured mat. What we're going to do is we're going to get a roller. Knead it a couple times and then start rolling. Depending on how wide you want it, you'll probably make it around 12 to 14 inches. Now that we've rolled out our dough and put it on the pizza stone,
We're now going to add our sauce in which we made earlier. You want to put the sauce on and spread it
out evenly.
throughout the dough.
Next, we will sprinkle on our mozzarella cheese.
Like so. You want to even?
If you want to or not, you could add a second layer of mozzarella and sauce, which we are doing right now.
And for our pizza, we decided to take pepperoni path. Put some
Now before we take out the pizza, you always want to make sure, since the pizza is very hot, that you wear safety protection. Ready? Smells very good. And more cooking show.
Today we are going to make you pizza.
We'll probably start out with the dough. What you'll need is
Probably.
dough, and we can spread it. Pizza comes from the word Latin. Give it a good slap and then put it in the oven. Also, to measure everything, you're gonna need this. A measuring utensil. And some more. And even India.
Correct. A pizzeria
Well,
is a
you ruined it. You're like, great.